aharsha itano zakasheshe President Yoweri Museveni nibwo yahikomora district ya Namutumba umucanga cha Busoga okwebembera okujaguza ekiro ky'abakozi. President Museveni yatandika no kurambura enyorero z'amahe aha mukoro ogwakorerwa hagati y'enjura nyamwingi.
Improvements in the quantity and the quality of the factors of production that a country has. Excellency, the theme of this year's Labor Day is promoting positive work culture and ethics, a prerequisite for increased investment, employment opportunities, and household income.
Choice of the theme is strategic in that it helps all of us to reflect on the promotion of positive work culture and ethics as a stepping stone for realization of the national aspirations.
The 2.3% of Ugandans are self-employed. No wonder, Your Excellency, the MasterCard International has ranked Uganda among the most entrepreneurial countries in the world. 40% of the working population are employed with written contract, meaning that about slightly more than a half do not have contract.
Museveni nagira ngo ihanga ryine ibintu byinji ebyakubire nibiyamba abanyayuganda kutunga emirimo na no kutunguka ngo bitu enyanga birungi abari benguzi nobo baremise ntunguka.
These are the ones who are disturbing the investors, asking for bribes.
Bano na kusumbua bansiga sente ngabenda enguzi
Or delay decisions.
President Museveni omukugamba kwe yagira ngo hatihanga rutongere kizobo cy'abanyabyobutegetsi hamwe n'abakozi ba government abahugiro mu kurya enguzi kandi yaraganisa kwa rukuza kurwana nabo.
I am going to fight and you will hear the fight.
baje okurwanisa era mwidda kumubonako
Mugenda kuja
mwidambulira bwalwana
omusayi ogunaveyo, because these two are corrupt politicians and civil servants.
President Museveni nagamba ngo hatihanga ryebembizo kureba ngo ryahanga hwemerumo okurabira mu nkore yo kurwanisa ubworo eya parish development model. President Museveni nagamba ngo hatabanya Uganda batandaka kutwara ebyo buhinje no burisanka business nikiza kurwanisa ibura ry'emerumo. President Museveni yayongera yashobora hato ku government erukuza kongera sente omukora hamwe no kuhunduza enguto zono mu Uganda ngo habwo kubenyinji ziriyo mu mbera mbi. Bamwe abakozi bo mutano batunga medali.
Sir, the workers of Uganda congratulate you once again on this day, and we wish everybody a happy Labor Day celebration.
Ahabwa TV West and area Saratogusa.